my name is Khrystyna and you are at See Ukraine. It's a Ukrainian cultural showcase in the heart of Chicago on the Magnificent Mile in the Wrigley Building, 410 North Michigan Avenue. We are Ukrainian cultural showcase, which you can experience here a little bit of Ukraine. Ukrainian clothes, Ukrainian art, Ukrainian food, and so much more. I'm not gonna tell you more because I would like for you to come and visit. We are a charity collaboration. We are a collaboration with the charity United 24, and our goal is to collect money. All the proceeds are going to rebuild Children's Hospital in Kharkiv, in the east part of Ukraine, in the city Kharkiv.